So in order for us to actually pour bronze, molten lava, you need one of these. And this is a crucible. This then goes into the furnace. You put your ingots in, it gets hot in the furnace and it melts into liquid there. These are graphite ceramic crucibles. This was my first ever crucible. I've kept this for just some memorabilia, you know, memories. All about memories, create memories. This is my first ever pot. That just stays on the shelf. This is what we're using at the moment. This is a 50 kilo pot. This does everything that you see us casting in this foundry is done with this pot here. We go through one of these. It's good for about 150 pours, and then it starts to build up slag on the inside of the pot, and then you end up with a smaller vessel essentially because so much is built up on the inside. Then we moved over to the 80 kilo pot. This pot here is a new addition to the foundry, and then you've got the 100 kilo pot, which is basically a small dustbin. But the 80 kilo pot will be replacing the 50 kilo pot, so it'll be our everyday pot, and the 100 kilo pot will be for when we do really large castings, when I'm confident enough that, you know, pouring 100 kilos is within my skill set, and we're not far off. So I bought it in preparation. I've got new lifting gear being made by a blacksmith, so we need a new pouring shank, and we also need new lifting tongs because the stuff I've currently got at the moment just doesn't fit it. So we are still using the 50 kilo pot at the moment, but soon we'll be moving to the larger one.